Good morning, all. The next topic in the chapter planning we are going to deal is the topic limitations of planning. कि क्या क्या खामियां है प्लानिंग में. खाली प्लान बनाने से कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो जाता है कि प्लान बना लिया ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अचीव हो गए. कुछ लिमिटेशंस भी होती है प्लानिंग में. Planning we know is very important for achievement of goals. But actually if we see there are many unforeseen events. There are many changes that is taking place in the environment. Cost may increase, price may increase, government may interfere, or there may be changes in laws. So all are going to affect the business plans. So therefore the plans need to be, you can say that the plans have to be modified according to the changes. Now what are the limitations of planning? Planning, first point is planning leads to rigidity. Planning may not work in dynamic environment. Planning reduces creativity. Planning involves huge cost. Planning is a time-consuming process, and planning does not guarantee success. So first we'll deal with the first point, that is planning leads to rigidity. How? In planning, the future course of action are laid down. Planning is actually deciding in advance what is to be done in future. So through planning, future course of actions are laid down, which every manager has to follow. Planning leads to rigidity in the functioning of manager because it curves down their freedom to initiate changes. They cannot make any changes. Actually, the plans are made by top management and managers has to just follow. Managers are working at the middle level and they have to just follow whatever plans are made by the top management. They cannot initiate any changes in the plan. So following a predetermined plan is of no use when circumstances have changed. Therefore, we say planning leads to rigidity. They have to just follow the rigidly laid down plans. Managers have to just follow the rigidly laid down plans and policies. Therefore, we say that it is one of the limitations of planning, that is planning leads to rigidity. Now, the second point is planning may not work in dynamic environment. Dynamic means changing environment. Business environment is dynamic in nature. पढ़ा है हम लोगों ने थर्ड चैप्टर में. The economic, political, social, legal, technological dimensions of environment keep on changing. So accordingly, the managers need to make changes in the plans. Otherwise, planning becomes useless. For example, I'll explain this with example. If competition in the market has increased, it will definitely have impact on sales budget and cash budget and the overall financial as well as on the overall financial plan. So planning is of no use in the dynamic business environment. That is when competitors enter the market, you can say the sales may fall down. There may be more cash required for advertising your product. So therefore, it is needed to make changes in plans according to changing environment. If the changes are not made, plans may not work in dynamic environment. So this is the second limitation. Now we come to third limitation, that is planning reduces creativity. अभी मैंने बताया plans are made by top management and other managers are just expected to implement the plans laid down by the top management. This reduces initiative and creativity of the managers and they are not allowed to change plans or initiate any changes in the plans. So no new idea or innovation comes from the mind of this manager. They cannot give any new idea because they have to just follow the rigidly laid down plans and policies which is framed by top management. So it reduces creativity. This is also one of the limitations of planning. Now the fourth limitation is planning involves huge cost. How plans are very costly. Planning involves huge cost in terms of time as well as money. This includes cost of boardroom meetings, hiring of professional experts. बड़ी बड़ी फीस देनी पड़ती है बोर्डरूम मीटिंग्स के लिए. बड़े बड़े कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल्स हायर करने पड़ते हैं. Surveys have to be done, investigations has to be done. So we can say that is planning is costly process because there are a number of costs involved in making plans. Now next is planning is time consuming process. Planning is time consuming process as making investigations or checking the accuracy of facts and figures requires a lot of time. And sometimes so much time is required in making plans that there is no time left for its implementation. कभी कभी हमको इतना टाइम लग जाता है प्लान बनाने में कि इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने में टाइम ही नहीं रहता है. सो देयरफॉर इट इज वन ऑफ द लिमिटेशंस. अगर इतना समय आप प्लान करने में लगाओगे तो कब इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे प्लान को. सो प्लानिंग इज अ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस. इट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द लिमिटेशन. नाउ द लास्ट लिमिटेशन इज प्लानिंग डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस. The success of any enterprise is possible only when plans are properly drawn up and implemented. ये plans properly draw किए और implement किया. It means plans need to be translated into action. Otherwise it will become meaningless. But managers, अगर आप देखेंगे, they have got the tendency to rely on the previously tried and tested successful plans. मैनेजर्स क्या करते हैं, पुराना जो प्लान है, बहुत सक्सेसफुल प्लान जो था पिछले साल का, वही इंप्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. बट यू नो कि एनवायरमेंट चेंजेस. यू कैन नॉट इंप्लीमेंट द previously tried and tested plans because environment has changed and the plans may fail. So it is not necessary that a plan which has worked before will work again in the changing and competitive environment. So this changing environment does not guarantee success, you can say. Following the predetermined plans in a dynamic environment may not ensure success, and therefore we say plan does not guarantee success. ये लाइन जो है वो बोर्ड एग्जाम में कई बार आई है कि प्लानिंग, दैट इज मैनेजर्स हैव टेंडेंसी टू रिलाई ऑन प्रीवियसली ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड सक्सेसफुल प्लान. विच लिमिटेशन ऑफ प्लानिंग इट इज. यानी पुराना प्लान अगर मैं इंप्लीमेंट कर दूं कि पुराना प्लान तो बहुत सक्सेसफुल था, उसको इस साल भी इंप्लीमेंट कर देते हैं, बट आपको पता है एनवायरनमेंट आज इतना फास्ट चेंजिंग है, एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हो गया तो वो प्लान सक्सेसफुल हो ही नहीं सकता. देयरफॉर वी से प्लानिंग डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस. हमने ये सारी लिमिटेशंस पढ़ी. दैट इज प्लानिंग लीड्स टू रिजिडिटी. इट मे नॉट वर्क इन डायनामिक एनवायरनमेंट. दैट इज रिजिडिटी में हमने पढ़ा कि दैट इज प्लान्स, in plans the future course of actions are laid down and managers have to just follow the plans laid down by top managers. There is no freedom given to the managers to make any changes in the plans, which leads to rigidity. The second point is planning may not work in dynamic environment. You know, environment keeps on changing, and if no change is made in the plans won't work because there are change in economic, political, social, legal, technology. There are so many changes in the environment, and the plans have to be changed accordingly. If they are not changed, the plans may not work in dynamic environment. Then planning reduces creativity. Plans, you know, are made by top management, and managers at the middle level have to just implement the plans which are laid down by the top management. This reduces, you can say, the creativity of the managers, and therefore we say it reduces creativity. Then how planning involves huge cost? Because planning involves huge cost because this includes the cost of boardroom meetings, hiring professional experts, surveys, investigation. So this is all very costly, and therefore we say planning involves huge cost. So cost benefit analysis must be done while framing the plans. Then planning is a time consuming process. How? It is a time consuming process because making investigations, checking the accuracy of facts and figures requires a lot of time, and sometimes so much time is required in making plans that there is no time left for its implementation. So this is again one of the limitations of planning. And last is planning does not guarantee success. Managers have got the tendency to, you can say, rely on previously tried and tested successful plans. But it is not necessary that a plan which has worked before is going to work again in such a dynamic environment. And thus we can say the plans does not guarantee success because following a predetermined plan in a dynamic environment may not ensure success. Therefore, planning does not guarantee success. अब हमने ये सारी limitations पढ़ ली. Despite of such limitation, we can say planning is not a useless exercise. It is a tool which has to be used cautiously. It is not a solution to the problem, and it can be said planning is not a substitute for executive judgment, but merely an aid to it. That is, you can say the plans have to be made. Every organization can be successful only by making plans. It's not a useless exercise, but it has to be used with full caution. And therefore, these are the limitations of planning. There are 6 points in it. Please revise. Thank you and God bless you.